The Algarve isn't just a beach destination, it's a coastline carved by golden cliffs, hidden caves, and Atlantic waters that shift from calm turquoise to dramatic blue. From sunrise over quiet fishing villages to sunset on rugged headlands, every corner feels like a postcard. But beyond the summer crowds, the Algarve changes with the seasons, offering everything from wild coastal walks to lively festivals and peaceful escapes. So let's take you through the year month by month, helping you find the perfect time to visit. Starting with January, the Algarve feels calm and wide open, with empty beaches and dramatic cliffs shaped by winter light. It's ideal for coastal walks, photography, and exploring caves without the crowds. Days are perfect for wandering old towns, enjoying fresh seafood, and watching powerful Atlantic waves roll in, while evenings bring a cozy, relaxed atmosphere across the region. Moving into February, the Algarve stays peaceful, but Carnival brings bursts of energy with parades, costumes, and street celebrations. It's a great mix of quiet exploration and local culture. Between events, enjoy cliffside walks, scenic drives, and long lunches by the sea, with the region offering a slower, more authentic feel. As March arrives, the Algarve begins to bloom, with wildflowers adding color to coastal trails and rolling hills. The weather feels fresh, perfect for exploring outdoors. It's a great time for hiking, cycling, and discovering hidden viewpoints, with fewer visitors and a peaceful atmosphere across beaches and villages. By April, the Algarve feels vibrant and welcoming, with sunny days perfect for exploring both coast and countryside. Easter brings local markets, traditions, and a lively but relaxed atmosphere. It's ideal for boat tours, historic towns, and enjoying long lunches outdoors as the region fully wakes into the season. May is one of the Algarve's sweet spots, with warm sunshine and fewer crowds. The coastline looks its best, and the sea begins to invite early swims. It's perfect for kayaking through caves, relaxing on golden beaches, and enjoying sunset dinners overlooking the cliffs as the days stretch longer. Traveling in June brings energy and celebration as festivals light up towns with music, dancing, and local food. The atmosphere becomes lively but not overwhelming. It's a fantastic time for beach days, boat trips, and exploring coastal towns that come alive in the warm evening air. July is full summer in the Algarve, with golden beaches, warm seas, and a lively atmosphere. Days are made for sunbathing, swimming, and exploring hidden coves. Evenings bring a different energy, with beach bars, restaurants, and nightlife creating a vibrant coastal experience that runs late into the night. August turns the Algarve into a summer playground with full beaches and a buzzing atmosphere across towns and resorts. The energy is high from morning to night. From boat trips along the coast to sunset drinks and lively evenings, it's the most social and vibrant time to experience the region. September is a favorite for many, offering warm weather without the peak crowds. The sea stays warm and the pace becomes more relaxed. It's perfect for beach days, scenic drives, and enjoying local food and wine with a more laid-back atmosphere across the Algarve. As October arrives, the Algarve softens into a quieter rhythm. The weather remains pleasant, and the coastline feels more open and peaceful. It's a great time for surfing, coastal walks, and exploring dramatic cliffs, with fewer crowds and a more relaxed pace. November feels calm and spacious, with quieter towns and wide-open beaches. The Algarve becomes a haven for relaxation and outdoor activities. It's ideal for golf, scenic drives, and enjoying the region's natural beauty with a slower pace that highlights its charm. Moving into December, the Algarve takes on a relaxed, festive feel with lights, markets, and a gentle holiday atmosphere. It's a peaceful time to explore coastal towns, enjoy seasonal food, and take in the beauty of the region without the summer crowds. From quiet winter coastlines and blooming spring trails to vibrant summer beaches and golden autumn sunsets, the Algarve offers something special all year round. Each season brings its own pace, its own color, and its own way to explore. Now that you've seen what every month has to offer, you can choose the perfect time to visit. And for more travel guides like this, subscribe to Local Travel Guides, turn on notifications, and we'll see you in the next one.